2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, center armrest, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, leather, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.